Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm a Food Diary.
Enjoy a refreshing and healthy fruit chat made with fresh apples, juicy guava, ripe bananas, sweet melon, and delicious strawberries topped with raisins and crunchy almonds for the perfect taste and texture. This quick and easy fruit salad is packed with vitamins, natural sweetness, and energy, perfect for breakfast, snack time, or a healthy treat any time of the day. Try this colorful fruit bowl recipe at home and enjoy a burst of freshness in every bite. Ingredient: apple, chopped; banana, sliced; guava, chopped; melon, cubed; strawberry, halved; dates, chopped; raisins, for garnish; almonds, chopped, for garnish. Let's start our recipe in just a few steps. Step 1. Take fresh apples and cut them into small, bite-sized pieces. Next, chop juicy guava and add it to the bowl for a tangy flavor. Add sweet melon pieces to bring a refreshing touch. Now add ripe bananas, sliced evenly for a soft and sweet taste. Toss in fresh strawberries for extra color and natural sweetness. Add soft dates to make the fruit chat naturally sweet and rich. Now garnish with crunchy almonds and sweet raisins on top. Pour a little tang juice to give it a zesty and exciting twist. Finally, sprinkle a pinch of black pepper for a light spicy kick. Mix everything gently so all the fruits combine beautifully. Finally, garnish with extra strawberries, crunchy almonds, and sweet raisins on top. Sparkles and your healthy, colorful fruit chat is ready to enjoy. Fresh, tasty, and full of natural goodness. If you like this easy recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick and tasty ideas. Stay healthy, stay fresh, and see you in the next video.